What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy S Dub. So, I got a client. He got some equipment he needs to get worked on right now. He just want me to get his mower. I do, as I call it, I get on the go. I'm money hungry. You know, all I do is game. I tell my wife all the time. She gets mad. She like, how do you do all of this gaming and stuff? I tell her, I'm fixing equipment. You gotta, be better than the next guy. You can be like the local company and have them come to you. Sometimes delivery is necessary, guys. But, I'm gonna get this to the house and we're gonna see what's going on. So, catch you later, guys. So while I was out picking up this mower, bringing it to the house, a client brought this one over right here. And while I was downloading the orange one right here, well, my new mower came. So I ended up breaking down, buying a new one. There it is. Nothing fancy. But we're going to snatch it out. Just picked it up, guys. Or they just delivered it. So we got to build it. So I pulled this out. It's broken. But no biggie. I have one already, but it was cool that they gave one. Sucks that it was poorly maintained. Okay. Ooh, a free hat. Ooh, I want a free hat. Look at this. I want a free hat, guys. And they gave us this nifty little tool that doesn't fit. Okay, we're gonna put these brackets on. So while I'm working on this mower, guys, I got another customer to bring me another mower. So I'm kind of mowerific right now. Oh yeah, and another client brought a weed eater. So like, I am busy. But enough jaw jacking. So I'm wrenching on this thing and it's just not lining up right. Like if you look in here, let me get some light going. If you look in there, you can see it's not quite, it's kind of off at the top right there. See how it's kind of off. Also, right here, so you put your clamp in here, and that's how it goes. What this does is it helps keep this off the way and it keeps tension on the cable. Okay, so here's the mower, a walk around. It's already topped off with pre-mixed fuel, 32-to-1, topped off with a little oil. It has more oil, it's a little tad bit over full. But, so one thing I dislike about this mower is I don't like mowers where it's the single shift system. That's cool and all for my property, but when I go out, sometimes I like to have the front wheels go up a little higher with the dual adjust, so I could clear some grass to get more up under the deck. Okay, so it works. I don't like it's idle, but I know one thing on when I get people who bring me new mowers that they want me to build, one thing I notice is you have to clean the carburetor for whatever dust and crap happens to get in there. So I'm gonna cut some lawn, get some more debris, see how it works, and then I'm gonna clean the carb.